Hello everyone, we've got another great update to our full scope freelancer tools for you today. Now you can add interactive forms directly into your email campaigns. What does this look like? Well, let's head over to marketing, head to emails and campaigns, and I'm going to open one of these campaigns that's in draft. And if you look on the left next to all of the elements that you know and love, we now have this new forms element. If we drag this onto the page, we can see right here on the left, we have a great selection of pre-built little feedback forms where you can kind of gauge how your customers are feeling about your products or services. This is really awesome, just a pre-built, ready to go out of the box customer feedback form. And of course, you can also come down and grab one of your own pre-made forms right here and link it right into the email. So this is going to be super helpful for, again, just engaging more with customers, sending them interactive forms, and particularly here, these pre-done customer feedback forms are really going to help you understand more and more how your customers are feeling about the content that they are receiving from you. If you have any questions about how to use these new forms in your email campaigns, please reach out to our support team anytime for help.